Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be covering question 7 from exercises A in James Stewart Calculus. So in this question, you're asked to find the absolute value of x minus 2 if x is less than 2. So now if you remember, the absolute value of A is A if A is greater or equals to 0, and the absolute value of A is negative A if A is less than 0. So now in this case, we are told that x is less than 2. So if it's less than 2, then that implies that this here would be negative. For example, if I substitute a 1, which is less than 2, that would be minus 1. So everything in here is basically negative. So now we can just conclude that we're going to use the second rule, which says that if our A, or if whatever is in the absolute sign is negative, then we're going to negate whatever is in there. So in this case, since we know that x is always less than 2, then this will always be negative. So if it's always negative, then we're just going to negate x minus 2. And therefore, the absolute value of x minus 2, if x is less than 2, is simply minus x plus 2, or you can rewrite this as 2 minus x.